everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna share my March Craftybonbons box. So again, let's just take these things out. Oh wow. So in the box you get this pretty envelope, plastic envelope. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Amazing. Let me put that there. And then, oh, you get a die cut. Oh my god, let me just grab my Hobonichi. Okay, so we'll use some. Oh my god, that is so cute. This is my Hobonichi, so that is so cute. I do want to put that there. Oh my days. I'll see where I can stick that. Again, as usual, the box is beautifully wrapped. Don't want to destroy tissue paper, but I think at this point I have to. Oh, how exciting! Okay, so oh. Oh, that's a nice card from Ali and Debbie. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Right, that's gonna go in my other journal. So what do we see? So I ordered the A4 box. And in that box you get this is like a folio of some sort, like a folder for your traveler's notebook. And then you get an A5 notebook. Nice, says fresh ideas. Amazing. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. You get your loyalty sticker. And then you usually get the info about Craftybonbons again, on each box. Right, where do I start? You get this floral washi tape. That is pretty. That is so pretty. I don't know whether you can see it. I don't want to really want to open it because I've got other like washi tapes that I need to use up. That is so pretty. And then you get this. Oh, that is a very pretty ribbon. And you get a cluster of flowers. Oh my goodness. You also get whatchamacallit, forgotten what they got called. I want to say rivets, but they're not rivets. Yeah, so you get like 3 of them, and that's like a butterfly button. We get bee stamps. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. You get a little bit of ephemera packet. So this is like a mixture of bits and bobs, like floral stuff and tags. I really don't want to kind of like take them out, but I have to just to show you. Hang on. Right, so you get buttons, floral buttons. Ooh. You get, what are these? Oh, paper and stickers, floral stickers. Oh, how cute. This is cute too. Okay, must be very careful. That is so cute too. It's like paper of some sort. You get buttons and a rabbit. Oh, that is so sweet. Sorry. I'm just really like, so you get all of these die cuts and bits and bobs that you can use. It's like a button, flowers, another tag, and that's like a flower from, I think that's Oh my goodness. You know what? You always get lots and lots of different stuff in the kits or in the box that you can use in your journaling. Okay, so that's that packet. Okay, it's stuck, so there. Okay, I'll put that into one side for now. Then you get another die cut packet of die cuts. So that's that one there, and there's like florals or botanicals. So you got leaves and whatnot, flowers. Oh, bird cages. Oh, that is pretty, like a rose. And it says smile. And a bird. It's like a corner bit. And some vellum. Oh, how cute. How cute. Oh, I like that. Oh my goodness. These are like really good for journaling, and I think, is this a sticker? No, it's a die cut. Okay. Oh, there's some more in there. Okay, it's the mission of putting it back. Actually, I'll do it in a minute. And then you get this die cut. I think this is like a pocket that you can put on your journals. So it's got like it has perforations that you can fold it in, so you can use it in your journals. That is a pretty paper. And then this looks like a sticker, like yeah, peel back, like a washi tape print. It looks like a sticker, but I'm not entirely sure now. Let me see. Yes, it is. Oh wow. You can use that in your journals and your planners as well to decorate them. Or cards. That is so pretty. And then you get this nice lacy kind of like die cut border. So you know, if you overlap them, that looks pretty, isn't it? Get another die cut. That's so cute. Flower head. And then you get a paper clip. It's like flower dangles and beads on it. Oh, another packet of die cuts. So cute. All of that. And that too. Oh, cute. Sorry for saying cute too like 10 million times. That's so good. Then you get journal cards. Oh my days, these are so beautiful. And more watercolor paper die cuts. So now these ones you can actually, yeah, you can color them. And I think I just have the trick, or not the trick, just have an idea for them. Yeah. And I might use it in a journaling process in a minute. Oh, that is so gonna get used. That is so gonna get used. That is so pretty. And then you've got this die cut again. It's like a wreath. So again, you can put photographs in the middle and like bits and bobs there. More die cuts. I love this spread. There's more. There's lots. These are cute too. So they're animals. I won't take them out because they're a bit tiny. You've got bunny rabbit, you've got cat, bird, flowers and plants. You've got panda bear. He's so cute. Yes. So you've got lots and lots and lots of die cuts. Oh, I wish that they had like dogs. Yeah, I don't mind cats, but I don't have a cat. I'm a dog person. Beautiful. Oh, cute. That is so cute. So yeah, as you can gather, it's like springtime floral themed. This one's like a bookmark. You can make this in a bookmark, or you can use it like a top spot in your journal. So then you get more of them sticker things, sticker strips. Then you get postcards. These are extremely cute. Oh my god. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Oh, that bunny rabbit is so cute. And then you get stickers, floral and bird theme stickers. So you get lots in this packet again. Good for journaling, good for like making your own ephemeras and stuff. Oh my days, this is so pretty. You know, they're like, you can use them for like vintage theme projects as well, because they'll blend in nicely on the vintage paper. And then what is this? Oh, more sticker paper, printed sticker. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Then you get, what are these? More stickers, but they're like embossed, so they're really gorgeous. Oh, they're like fairies. Then you get little vellums, little notepads, floral note. That is, sorry, I keep saying cute and pretty. They're really gorgeous. And this is what makes me not this is my kind of like downfall, because they are really pretty and I just give in, and then yeah, should be not spending, but I don't mind. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice vellum paper. One of that. And I think that sometimes they vary in contents. So yeah, A5 unicorn. Huh? It's cute. And then these ones are the A4. Oh, before I go into the paper, you get cherry blossom pen. I'm sure this is black. Just get a piece of paper. Yeah. That is cute. And then the rest is the paper. So they're really beautiful. They're botanicals. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a very pretty blue. It's like forget-me-nots. And that too. Oh my goodness. And they're really good quality cardstock. That's the last one, which is similar. So they're really good quality cardstock, and they're like really, yeah, you can tell. Oh my god, they're really good quality stuff here. Anyway, sorry to bore you with that, but I'm sure you're hyped up as I am. and eager to play with this lovely goodies. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Yeah, this is not a sponsored thing. I bought this with my own money, but I really love it. I really love it. So I just wondered, no, I thought that was sticker, that would be really cool. Yeah, so there's, as you can see, there's lots of things in it, and you're not going to be disappointed. From time to time I buy the boxes, if it suits my taste, or if I like it, like I like the theme, but I always almost buy every month because I cave in. Because they're always pretty. There's a lot of pretty things in this box, and yeah, Debbie and Allison are just, or Allison or Ali are just amazing in how they put things together, because it just kind of like, yeah, it's a good kind of like mixture of eclectic mix, a good mixture of stuff to use for either journaling, planning, crafting, card making, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period and keeping yourself busy, and yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Keep safe. Bye for now.